What can you do at the Grand Taman Safari Prigen in Indonesia? A lot. I'm going to show you their Baobab Safari Resort, the exciting safari adventure, cute baby zoo, and interactive living museum with exciting performance. First off, let's start with the room tour. We are a family of 3 and our son is only 5 this year, so we are sharing a king-size bed together with him. Our room has a safari view and it is amazing. Located high on slopes of Ajuran Mountain, the weather there was perfect. At 5:06 AM, you can see the staff laying out food on the ground for the animals. They provide a basket of carrot in your room so you can feed those animals too. Let's explore the resort next. Good morning!
We are going to eat our breakfast.
Let's go.
Baobab Safari Resort is an African safari-inspired resort where you will be surrounded by African savanna. Fun fact, Baobab is a native tree in Africa that can grow up to 30 meters tall, about 10 HDB story. They have a gift shop selling lots of animal soft toys. Do you like this place, Lala? You like it? Good? Yang Mami 在哪里？
我们在 Safari。
我们要去游泳。
Hi, we are now walking around taking a look at the actual safari. It's 9:05. Are you going to help your son feed the giraffe?
No, you fit.
Sorry.
Within the resort, you can feed different animals such as giraffe, meerkat, and rhino. We are feeding rhino.
We feed them. His name is Paru.
The resort is very near to the Prigen Safari Park. You can take the shuttle bus from the resort to the park directly. There's 2 ways to experience the park. One is their tour bus. The other is the private car, which is much better. You get the whole car to yourself and the driver will drive you around the park, which allows you to get real close to the animal. 两位妈妈，感觉如何？
唉，很喘。
为什么呢？
为了让他们 feed，我们要牺牲自己。In front, yeah. Yes. So rough.
It took us almost an hour to complete touring the safari park. Remember to buy your bags of carrot before you start the car tour. Buy more so that you can feed as much as you like. Basically, all animals there seems to eat the carrot.
Oh, you see what's
Inside the car.
Oh my goodness.
Next up is carnivore night feeding. Super exciting. We are going to sit the cage car and go and feed the animal later on. Yang Yang, are you ready?
Yeah.
娃娃有什么感想？第一次吗？不是right？
第一次。
This shall be the first time for all of us. Are you excited?
Yes. It's okay, you don't want to see, it's okay.
So many bears, you see?
Video, you can take photo or video, and then it's finished.
They feed. Okay.
你去看不到那个 bear 嘞，只看到你很 bright 而已。Yeah. 看不清楚是个 bear。是个 bear。
好。
大哥找错人了。
哦，这个在快的 driver。
Oh. Oh my god. Whoa! Look at that. Wow, good idea 哎 ，smart 哎。可以看到老虎在你上面这样。
Yeah, family photo.
Look at this! We are feeding the tiger. We just feed the tiger earlier on. So
我很
exciting.
会选时间选哪一个的时候选。
Daddy.
Yeah.
No more.
No more food ah. Yeah, then we move on to the next one now. Then we will feed lion. So what are we doing now? We are actually trying to force the lion to go on top. The sound is oh my god.
因为预测来，不要 disturb 我了，老婆。You're angry. I'm angry.
After feeding the animals, it is time to feed ourselves. The pizza here was quite yummy. I enjoyed it. Fried rice for your dinner.
Yeah, you cannot finish, never mind.
Overall, the food here was pretty decent. In terms of variety though, there isn't a lot of choices. So, just manage your expectation when you're over here. Food is not the priority, it's the view. Within the safari park, there's a recreation area for your little ones to play around. They have rides like merry-go-round, roller coaster, and many others. Yeah, we are on the antique car going around the zoo. Lala is driving, is it? They have 6 edutainment shows throughout the day. Do make sure to find out their timings. We miss out quite a number of them because we didn't know about it.
You see a video that you know already.
Okay. Yeah, the circus doing what?
We go check out the pet islands first, then we're going to watch show later.
Wow, you're touching the dog?
Look at them over there.
First time going circus, you want to sit behind?
Good morning. It's only 6:30 right now, but it's super sunny already. You can easily walk from the resort to the Australiana Zone to feed the animals there.
Oh!
The saliva! 老大来了.
Ready?
Okay, I block this one.
Daddy!
Okay, give
This is mine.
You will be really close to them, so do be careful.
Oh, he got eaten!
Yeah, correct.
I'm not afraid of rabbits.
Most of the animals there are pretty friendly.
Give me a lot. He coming. It's not bite my hand.
They also have enclosed area too.
No.
Ah, almost forget. I even managed to pet my favorite crocodile when at the safari park. It was awesome.